This is Marcus with DFW Fence Contractor. What you're looking at is a postmaster post here. These are postmasters. We're gonna place a picket on this backside and cover this when we complete this. These pickets here are laying on the other side because we're gonna nail the pickets on this side of the rail. This fence will be board on board when we're done with it on that other side. But this yard has got some pretty good slope in it. Down here at the bottom, right here at this area, at the top of the fence will be about 8'2". And then in this corner back over here where I started, this corner is rising and going up. So over there we'll be close to like 7'10". Right here we'll be at about 8'2" again. And then over there, and I'm talking about the total height, over in that corner, because this yard is going up with a big slope, we're gonna use some 6 foot tall material there, 6 foot tall material there, and then we're gonna step it down, some more 6 foot tall, some more 6 foot tall material in here. And then this right here, we'll utilize 8 foot tall again, board on board. This is all facing pretty side to the neighbors. But this is step and level building on top. You'll notice the steps over here on the right-hand side, those steps up here at the very top. This is stepped, and then we run it level, and then step, and then level, and then step, and then level. A lot of times we want to try to make these more tight, more uniform, like the same distance, but in this particular case, we won't be able to do that. There's too much fall right here because of the retaining wall.